Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Create the Heart, and I'm back with a quick update. So for my birthday challenge for my daughter's birthday, all you need to do is pop a birthday card, send it to me. You can email me at scoop71, that's SCOOP 71 at yahoo.com for my address. And just pop a card in the mail, and you'll be in the running to win a $25 gift card or $25 PayPal. And the deadline is Saturday, June 8th. However, I will not be doing the drawing until the following Monday. So if it does show up on Monday, I'll add you into the drawing. So I'm going to go ahead and share a couple projects with you. I've been doing junk journals, calling them junk journals, but they're kind of clean journals, not really that junky, since February. So let me show you. February and March were pretty chunky because I put a lot more stuff in them. And so I'll probably put more stuff in my next ones. It's just, I've been really, really busy. So here's like February, March, I have videos on these. And then I have my April, which I'm going to share with you, and my May. I'm actually going to share them to you in a little bit different order. So I'm going to start with May. And so for May, I did something a little bit different. The other ones I used sort of the same tutorial, which I talk about in my March or my February video, what tutorial I used. Basically, this one is made using envelopes. This one is used, I was made using a file folder. So I had a file folder. I cut it to it's 6 inches tall. And I think the file folder itself is about 10 3/4. And so I scored it at 5 and 5.5. So I guess it must be at 11. 5 and 5.5. And then it created this, this gusset. And that's pretty much it. To do my pages, I just cut them at 5 3/4 by, I want to say it's 10 1/4. And then I just gave it a 1/4 inch gusset. And then I placed them in the middle of my spine. Actually, I put the inside paper in first. Then I put it in, I stapled it, and then I put my outside paper. Really, really super, super easy. Now, I used Maggie Holmes Hooray for this because it's my daughter's birthday month. So this is using double-sided paper. It's a 12 by 12 Hooray line. And it's a Maggie Holmes or American Crafts line. I love it. So this is the front. I used a chipboard piece because I do have the chipboard as well as the ephemera pieces to this collection. So I did the chipboard. This is some trim that I actually got from AliExpress. I used a sticker here. And I used some old Stampin' Up! Ribbon that I had in my stash so I could close it up. And then here's the inside. So I kept it really, really simple because I am behind. So I just kind of wanted to get my things in here. So this is for May. So my son doing a selfie, some glasses he was interested in remembering to get. Some May happenings. Just wrote some things that were happening for this month. And then this is the ephemera as well. My daughter takes lots of selfies, so she's actually only 11. She looks like she's 16 in this picture, so I don't even know. She used my Copics to draw and create her own tattoo. Yikes. Came out pretty good though, palm tree. And then my son and my nephew at their closing ceremonies. And then he made All Stars, so just to celebrate, which is using the sticker, puffy sticker thing from that line. It just says Tyler's an all-star because they chalk the driveway and leave a balloon with a letter when they make it. So that's what he did. And then this weird strawberry my daughter thought was amazing, so she took a picture of it. And then some birthday pictures of her. This came in that ephemera piece. I just made a pocket. And then I just wrote some things about what we did for her birthday. We didn't do a big birthday this year. She wanted a phone, so we just did a home party. And then a throwback picture for when she was a baby. Just a little picture of my nephew at baseball. Just some closing thoughts about the month. and then a quote that I really liked. And so that's just using the paper from the Hooray line. I'm really excited to have been able to use it because I tend to hoard my favorite papers. And so I did go ahead and use that. And so I'm happy with that. And then for my April one, I did share what it looked like before I put pictures in it. I made this Easter themed. I used an Echo Park Easter collection that I had gotten from Tuesday morning. And then I finally put some pictures in here. So my son doing track. My daughter was Jackie Robinson for Famous Americans. I made her shirt using my Cricut. And then I just used that for pictures. Muffins with Moms, picture of my son's team, the month so far. This is just a card that I put in there, just some comments about Easter. And then we've got some Easter pictures. My nephew and my son. And just pictures from Easter in here. This one, I've got something I'm going to put in here. I've got some things from Knott's Berry Farm I'm going to stick in here. They're in my purse. That's going to go in there. And then this is a tag that I had made. Pretty thick tag. I just stuck it in here so I could keep it because it's Easter themed. And then these are some pictures from my son's team. They went to Angel Day for Little League. And then just a little card there. Action shot of my son. Always selfies in here for my daughter. And just some journaling in this pocket here. And then selfies that my niece and my daughter took wearing my son's glasses. And that is April. So I'm going to be working on June, and I probably will just share June when I'm done filling it up. I haven't decided, but anyways, it's going to be a year of junk journals is how I'm kind of doing things this year for the most part. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Cricut Hearts. Be sure to join my birthday challenge. Just everybody's got a birthday card laying around. Just pop that in the mail to me, and you have a chance to win a prize. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Cricut Heart.